Hey friends, if file transfer to a shared folder stops randomly, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, the main resolution is to disable remote differential compression. How? Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on Turn Windows features on or off. And then you'll find this option for remote differential compression API support. Uncheck it. Click on OK. Okay, it will start applying the changes, and in a while, it will do the job. Next one is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. And lastly, check for network congestion. So what does it mean by network congestion? Now let's say that you have one router and you are using 20 devices with it, which is very common these days. That will cause network congestion, and it may also cause breach of a few security protocols. So internet security protocols, and thus it will cause the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.